Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sync audio with video. First, use a visual and audible cue like a clapperboard at the beginning of your recording. This creates a sharp spike in your audio waveform and a clear visual marker. In your editing software, simply align the audio spike with the visual clap. For fine-tuning, zoom in closely on your timeline and make tiny adjustments, often just a few frames, until the sound perfectly matches the action on screen. This manual method provides precise control. For more complex projects, many modern video editing applications offer automatic syncing features. These tools analyze audio waveforms from multiple sources and align them with remarkable accuracy, saving you significant time. When working with several cameras and external audio recorders, consider using a timecode generator. This device assigns a synchronized timestamp to all your recordings, ensuring everything lines up perfectly from the start. Also, recording scratch audio on your camera helps immensely. Encountering sync issues can be frustrating, but often they are easily resolved. A common problem is mismatched frame rates between your video and audio. Always ensure your camera and audio recorder are set to the same frame rate, for example, 24 frames per second. For longer recordings, audio drift can occur. Simply cut the clip into smaller segments and resync each piece. Also, verify all devices record at the standard 48 kHz sample rate for optimal compatibility. To achieve consistently perfect audio-video synchronization, always prioritize recording high-quality external audio. This separate audio track will be far superior to your camera's built-in microphone. During recording, constantly monitor your audio levels to prevent distortion or overly quiet sound. Finally, make it a habit to perform a quick sync check immediately after each take. This simple step can save hours of frustration in post-production, ensuring your final product sounds and looks professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.